Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, S8 and S8 Ultra. For that, it's a bit complicated, first of all, because this is so big and so it's complicated to show. So technically, you need to press the power on and off button and the volume down button at the same time. And you saw it here, we'll show it again, that it made a screenshot. So now when we go to our gallery, we have a few screenshots here, and we can review them all, and then when we click on one, we can also click on this pencil, and then we can crop it. We can write on it, and we can do all these different things. We can put a filter on it. Write on it, as I said. Oh, fancy. Oh, we can like mark things. Cool. That's cool. Okay, and we can write on it, as I said. So, if you want to undo this, you can click on revert or on save. Let's say we want to save this, and now we have our screenshots here and our updated so to say screenshot, and then we can go back and you can make screenshots from almost everything. There might be some apps with like sensitive content where you cannot make a screenshot from, and when we try to make a screenshot, it will just be a black screen. So yeah, that's how you make a screenshot on your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, S8 and S8 Ultra. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.